Alright everybody, I forgot to start recording again before I started working on this, but basically I unboxed the tub, threw it up against the walls here, got everything level and square. I built me a little false wall here that I can tile, put my shower head on, my faucet, all that kind of stuff on the inside. Cut our drain hole through the floor there for the tub, and I'm working on the drain hole for the toilet. I don't know if you can see the circle or not, but I gotta cut out that circle. This fitting goes through there. Toilet bolts to this with a wax ring, and then everything will be piped below the house. So I will get you started here, showing you my mess. Still got a little drywall to do in here. This is where the vanity is gonna go. This is basically the downstairs girls' bathroom. Alright everybody, just an update here. I've got my hardy board to go around the shower, the tub here. We've got a faucet to install on the back of the tub here for shower head. Pretty much got the toilet plumbed in. I've got everything there to hook it up, just need to run it through the floor along with the drain. I'm going to go ahead and get a vanity over here for sinks. And for the outside, I've been working on this drywall over here on this wall. Ed over at Southern Life helped me with this wall here. About time to get some more drywall. Got to work on the master room here some. Got a bunch of drywall up around it. Still like a couple of pieces over here on this wall, but almost done in this room. That's just kind of an overview of the house. I'm looking to get some wood or some tin to close in these gable areas up here. But the fireplace seems to be working pretty good. Got down to 35 last night. I didn't stay here and keep the fire going, but it kept the house about 67 degrees. 35 outside, so it's working pretty good. That's just an update on the house, guys. we'll be back with some more. Thanks for watching.